Welcome to Snap-on Training Solutions. This module is designed to help you get the most out of your ZEUS diagnostic tool and covers the use of scanner data in Parameter ID View, also known as PID View. I'm Jim Moritz, Global Field Trainer and Sales Support Representative. The scanner data display shows live data parameter information from the vehicle control module. To access live data, select Data Display from the scanner main menu. Depending on the vehicle, this may open a submenu of viewing options. Scroll down with the touchscreen for additional selections. For this example, we will choose to view Engine Data 1 from the submenu. A list of engine data parameters is shown, along with a brief description of each parameter. The data appears in a digital text format on the right called PID View. The data values refresh as the vehicle sends new data. The speed may vary depending on the speed of the data sent from the vehicle and the number of data parameters being shown. Scroll down to see all available data parameters. The data is continuously recorded for all available data parameters, limited only by hard drive space. The pause button freezes the data display for closer examination and review. When viewing paused or recorded data, the left and right arrows move forward and back one data frame at a time. The double arrows move multiple frames at a time. Hold the button down to continuously move through the data. The pause icon indicates live data from the vehicle is being displayed. Selecting the pause icon stops data collection. With the pause icon visible, you also have the option to clear the data buffer and start over by pressing X. This is useful when vehicle conditions change and you want to record and view new frames of data. Use the record icon to restart data recording at any time. Scroll down to see the complete list of data parameters at any time the live data is playing or when it's paused. Here are the rest of the engine data parameters for this vehicle. You can choose data parameters you want to see together on one screen. This enables you to see relationships between data parameters. The Custom Data List function gives you even more power to customize the view. Selecting the Custom Data List opens a menu for selecting parameters to display. Touch the custom icon on the toolbar to activate it. Here we see the Select All and Deselect All icons. Use them to hide or show all the parameters. Choose Deselect All to create your own list. Select the desired parameters and they will be highlighted with a black box. Once you have created your custom data list, you have the option to view in text view or graph view. Custom data lists can significantly accelerate the speed of the data displayed by processing only the vehicle data that you need, so you can find tough intermittent failures faster. Select as few or as many as you want. Snap-on is dedicated to helping you get the most out of your diagnostic tool and keep your customers happy. Watch the rest of the modules in this Training Solutions series and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next great product from Snap-on.